Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make $120 per day by a very simple method. Let's start. I'll take you to google.com and search for textbroker.com. So if you go to textbroker.com, it's a place where you can buy content and also you can sell content. It's a very easy way to make a blog, but it's always very hard to write the article and keep it updating. So it's very easy nowadays that you can go and search for the people who can write for you. But let's say if you don't have a blog and you don't have any idea how you can make a blog, then there's a chance that you can write the content. So by writing content, you can sell it, and by selling, you can make money. So basically, textbroker.com helps you to do that. They are very good, they are very high rated, and they pay well. So let me show you how you can start writing. So if you go on the top page, there is a button say I need content and I write content. So we need to go there and I write content. So if you scroll down, you will see that it's explaining you that how you can make money by writing content. It might be that you're a good writer, but you don't have skills to run the blog or maintain the blog. But by doing the text broker, you can actually write content for others and make money. Just to show you that how much you can make, if you go to the payment option, it will show you that there are a number of different options. There are open orders. So most of the articles you will write are through the open order. What does it mean by open order? It's like there are thousands of orders based on any quality level, and it's just like you write down the stuff and you get paid. For example, if you write down like 2-star rating, then you still make 0.7 cents per word. 3-star rating, 1 cent per word, and vice versa. Direct orders are specifically for you. People find you, they ask you to write for their blog, and they pay you well. This is the highest paid content. It's 1.78 cents per word. And then there's a team order. Team order is available to any author of the team, like on first came basis. And it's the client who sets the earning per word for the team. Just to show you how much you can make by just writing a good content. For example, let's say if there is a 4-star rated quality, you can make open order 1.4 cents per word, direct order 3 to 5 cents per word, and then team order. Let's calculate. Let's say if you write down 4,000 word content. If you see that if you are writing 2 quality, you're making $28 per article for 4,000 words. Let's say if you make better quality, you start writing 3-star quality, you will start making $40. So by just doing 3 articles a day, if 3 articles, 3-star rating, you can make $120 period. Let's say you improve your work, or you are a very good writer. You can do 4-star work. Just to see, you can reach it to $56 per article. $56 is $138 per day. So guys, it's very easy to make money just by writing this. And writing is like, it's not like that you have to type and type and type. Excuse me. It's basically there is a tool available, free tools, where you can write the articles very easily. For example, if you have a Google account, and if you go to your Google Drive, if you go down and you go to Google Drive, in Google Drive, you will see a button new. If you hit the new button, there's an option of Google Docs. If you click Google Docs, it brings you a blank document. In this blank document, there is an option in the tools. You can write down the article, and this is my first blog post. And you can also do the speech tool. So the speech tools are available under tools. And if you go and say voice typing, Google has done an amazing job for writing for you and or like translating or typing whatever you speak. Doesn't matter your accent. For typing, you just need a mic. So if you have a mic in your laptop or your computer, you're pretty good to go. But if you don't have it, you can use a very small, cheaper one, especially the one which comes with your smartphone. Everyone has a smartphone nowadays, and usually when you buy a smartphone, it always comes with a headphone or earphone. So plug it in your earphone and then just hit the button, click to speak. So I have an article which I'm going to start. Oh, I need to stop here before I can write down my article. So let's start speaking and see how Google can type for it. A bit of euphoria, semicolon. Next paragraph. Your picture yourself as a successful blogger, comma, and you believe that blogging is everything you need, period. But as soon as you start writing your first blog post, comma, your feelings change, period. You develop, colon, confusion, fear, you feel stuck, comma, and probably a bit depressed, period. Next paragraph. I decided to write this blog post specifically for you, period. To help you find your way and do only the things you need to do in order to achieve success, period. I'll tell you about my own experience with my first blog post. So here you see that how easily I just start speaking, and by just speaking you can see how many words I have already created. So if you can use these tools, create this, just copy paste this stuff, go to the textbroker.com to your account and paste it, come up with an article. You can make easily $40 for 4,000 words document. It just needs a consistency, guys. Making money online is not difficult. You just have to come up with an idea and start doing it, the area where you can think you can make it perfect. I hope you like this video. I will try to keep bringing more and more stuff. Don't forget to subscribe my channel right below and click the bell button to get notified every time I upload the new video with the good content. Give me comments, thumbs up or thumbs down, how you can improve it. Thanks for watching. Peace.